Hi fellow greasy people, I'm Chuck, this is Up Chuck Chops, thanks for joining me. My top box here. I thought it was coming with an extra little backrest, but I had an idea. This will probably be a short one. Let's check out what I'm gonna try and see if it's gonna work. So here's my top box, and there's my sheepskin, and that is floppy. I don't like it when it does that, but I'm not sure how to keep it there. My top box comes on and off easy enough, so it's not like I'm just gonna rivet this together or whatever. But do you guys remember when I took that off of my little rolly stool and made a tool caddy out of it with a drawer way back? I kept this for a reason, I guess, because I think this would do nicely right there for a little backrest, and it's not going to interfere with anything. So let's see if we can attach this. You know what would be nifty? It's kind of jank, but it'll serve two purposes. Bear with me. Ta-da! I said it was going to be janky. I was thinking about bringing a ratchet strap anyhow. And if I come like this, and I hook my two together, and I go like this, and I strap like that, I can wrap it around and tighten it down. And to keep this from being floppy, I can pull that, come around here like so, tie me a little knot, my top will still work, holds my sheepskin up. Let's see how she feels. That isn't too bad. I think we're gonna test fit like this. I could always go to the hardware store. I have some grommets. I could drill some holes and bolt that up. But that's not too bad on the lower back. Just give a little support. It'd get a little tight with a backpack. My legs would get tired of that, but I think we'd be all right. Well, that's enough for this bonus episode. Thanks for watching. Hope you get a kick out of it, of some kind, entertained, something. But leave a comment below. I could even bulk it up if I ride around this weekend and don't like how much that is. I could take my black foam pad and add to it and get just a little bit more, you know, smoosh. So anyhow, I'll catch you later.